Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, guys. So in today's video, we're going to do a mirrored nightstand DIY. I want to show you guys how I accomplished this glam nightstands. If you are new here, my name is Imani. I do things all home decor, home inspiration, and home decorating. And if you like those kinds of videos, do not forget to subscribe before you leave out. And if you're returning, then hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, guys. So without further ado, guys, we're going to go ahead and get into this DIY to show you guys how I got this glam look. Okay guys, before we get started, I'm going to show you guys everything that you'll actually need for this project. I end up getting some satin spray paint and primer in one from Lowe's, and I got that in the color black. You can use it for wood, metal, plastic. Next guys, you're going to need some E6000 glue to actually glue on your knobs onto your mirror once everything is put together. This is some very strong glue and it's very efficient. Also, you'll need some of this mirror marble and grantee paste to actually paste your mirrors onto your nightstands as well. And I went ahead and cut a hole in there before I got started. And then I have a caulk gun to actually push the paste onto the mirrors to make it go out a little better. And then guys, I actually have my mirrors back here in the back. So this size mirror is actually going to be for the drawers. And then the next mirrors that I have is going to be for the top of my nightstands. And then the bottom ones right here, I think I'm going to put all the way at the bottom. So I'm not sure yet, but I don't know if I'll put paint at the bottom or spray paint it. I'll figure that out. And last but not least, guys, I ended up getting this very beautiful crystal knobs from Amazon. 12 came in a pack, and I believe they were like $12.99. I will leave the link below if you guys want these same ones, but they're like black and crystal, very beautiful. I think this will go very nice with my nightstands as well, considering they will be black and mirrored as well. So I thought these were super cute. And yeah, here's a little close up. Really nice, and they look quite expensive as well. So I'm really glad that I end up choosing these for my knobs because they're so cute. Yes guys, so that is everything you will need for this project. And without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get right into it. Hey guys, I wanted to mention that I end up getting these chests from IKEA for $39.99, and it's the Rast 3-drawer chest, and they luckily had some in stock. You guys, I've been wanting to do this project. That's what's crazy, but they were out in my city and I was salty. But y'all, I'm so excited because they actually have them. So we're going to go ahead and grab 2 of these. And they have a selection of chests and other nightstands. I just decided that I wanted to go with this one because I just like the look of it. So yeah, let's get into the next clip. Guys, I end up just spray painting the sides of my chest instead of putting mirrors on the side. I just think it looks a lot more elegant without all the mirrors on the side too as well. So I'm just put the mirrors on the top and on the drawer part. And also guys, all you have to do is spray paint on the outer surface of your nightstands because the mirror is going to cover up the drawers, but just make sure that you cover up your corners of your drawers too as well, which you guys will see that in the next clip. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. Guys, so I ended up getting my mirrors from Lowe's, and they have a cutting place in there where they can actually cut your mirrors for you, and they'll also do it for free as long as you purchase your mirrors from them. So that's where I got my mirrors from, and they'll cut it to size. So guys, this is how the nightstands and the drawers are looking so far. I'm letting everything dry for at least 24 hours. And then in the next clip is when it'll be dry for 24 hours. And then I'll start to prepare to put my knobs on there. So I end up measuring my handles off camera. I believe I went 4 inches up and 5 inches across. And these are the ones that I got from Amazon. I think they're so beautiful, and oh my god, I love them. You can see the black in the inside too as well. And I'm just going to take my E6000 glue, and I'm going to go ahead and put a dab, just a dab, not too much, on to the back of my knob. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my mirrors and stuff like that. So I'm super excited. So yeah, just use one little dab and then just go ahead and apply right in the center. So guys, right here I am just continuing to put my knobs on my drawers, and after this I'm going to show you guys the final results. so good. I am so impressed with how this turned out. I am very satisfied, and y'all, I'm so glad I decided to go with the black. Like, what? If it ain't black, I don't want it. You hear me? Like, literally, I ain't even feel the need to put mirrors on the side because I just love this elegant look. It just looks so good, so expensive. I love the black crystal knobs. They turned out absolutely beautiful. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all, and let me know what you guys think and how I did on this project, y'all. I'm so excited. I love my new nightstands, and they're just so elegant and beautiful. I love you guys.